Hey everyone, so it's Maria's Mystery Channel. My mom just had an accident because she accidentally put this on camera instead of video. So
Sorry.
I had a gold one of Fashion Crush and the checklist and everything. So I'm just gonna crush it out.
Okay, come close to the camera so we can all see Malia.
So you just have to crush it out like that. And the Fashion Crushes, they should be called Fashion Crush because you crush them out. Get it? So I got the clothes right here. So stuck in. Woo.
You have to come closer because it's kind of dark under there.
Yeah.
It's getting darker in the evening now because it's turning into fall.
And it's really gross to get out all of this slime. And it's so sticky and gooey and icky. It's really, really gross.
Okay, you have to come closer, Malia, because we can't see.
Yeah. And it smells weird. But it's super cool.
Okay, come over closer and show everyone the outfit.
I just have to get out the slime. So there's a lot of slime in the shirt. Yeah, I'll show them the outfit right now. So we got this glittery outfit. It's actually an ultra rare. So let's get this right there. So we got this really cool outfit. So we got this little one with a little thing, some glittery shoes. Ugh, my hands are glittery. So I don't know, but I'm gonna open up a capsule now. Okay, get off the zipper. Come on, straight zipper.
Okay, we'll come back and show everyone. How about?
Yeah.